Today's mocktail really wants you to come and play. Hello and welcome to Mocktail Monday at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. You no doubt remember the Grady Twins, the adorably menacing moppets in The Shining. Today's drink is dedicated to them and their insistence that Danny come and play. To make it, all you do is combine 1/2 ounce blue cotton candy syrup, 2 ounces chilled ginger beer, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Pour into a dainty glass with ice with a bloody rim made from light corn syrup and red food color laced with pink sugar. You'll want to drink it forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.